got a box here. You can say it's a budget buy because I had no more than £250 to spend on a new rig. So it's 10 scale. It's got 3 differentials, front, center and rear diff. Yeah, there's a couple of cars, as I said, I was on a budget of £250. I actually got this one for £240, but the cheapest I saw it online on eBay, brand new, is £235, but the delivery was at least 2 weeks, so I didn't bother. Shit, I'll show you what I just done. So plenty upgrades for this rig as well, and the handling of this rig is supposed to be pretty awesome, innit? It's built like a racer. That's the truck anyway. Brushless Zorro trophy truck, 99% ready to run, 4-wheel shaft drive with 3 diffs, lightweight high impact arms, volts, 3200 mAh 2S LiPo battery, Etronics Proton 3665 brushless motor. I think that's like a 2900 kV motor, I think, because there's been talks about that low kV on the truck, and if the gear setup, the gearing is right on it, and apparently it is, isn't it? So Etronics waterproof steering servo, Etronics power ball balance charger, big ball oil fill adjustment shocks, fully adjustable suspension including droop camber, towing and wheelbase. Yeah, it's got adjustable camber and whatnot. So yeah, adjustable camber link, 110 scale brushless electric motor powered 4-wheel drive trophy truck. Yeah, as I said, I got this on eBay. As you can see, it's brand new, £240, but the cheapest I saw it for was £235, so I didn't bother, man. But I nearly got the FTX Apache, but as I said, I was looking for a truck with 3 diff setup, a center diff. I'm not sure if this truck has got the plastic spur gear in it or the metal one, because you can also get the metal spur gear for this truck, unless they've upgraded it and they've put it in the truck. I'm not sure, so we'll see, man. Well, I'm not going to strip it and that, but when I eventually tune the car, I'm going to run it stock as it is, but I won't use the included battery in it. Oh, let's look at this box. Let's look at the side of this first. I think this has got an 80 amp ESC in it. 80 amp. I'm not sure what ESC are. That's a spur gear. It looks like it could be plastic spur gear on the truck still, but you can actually get the metal, upgraded metal spur gear. I'm not sure if you can get different size pitch spur gears like the teeth and whatnot, but that's what comes in the box. This is, get that out of the way, just instructions. You've got a plug here, that's for the charger. A LiPo charging bag and instructions. I'll open that later when I read through the instructions of the car. And then we've got your controller. Let's take the truck out of the box, man. Oh, it's all zip tied. It's zip tied. Cable tie. Where's the knife? Yeah, as I said, I nearly got the Apache, but it was £259 and I wasn't willing to go over my budget. So I ended up getting this one. Just cutting the cable ties on this. And I don't think the Apache or the Rakuten, the Apache, the Rakuten, what else? I don't think they've got center diff. I'm not sure. I'll have to look again. I think it's just direct drive from front to rear. So that's the car anyway. Oil fill suspension as well. And there should be a battery, Volts battery in it, as stated in the box. So I'm not sure if the diffs are actually filled with oil. I can't tell. But as I say, I'm not going to strip the car down straight away, and I'm going to run it, give it a couple of runs, stock. Give it a couple of runs stock and see how it goes. Open, what you call it? Can't remember what I was going to say now, man. Yeah, I can't remember what I was going to say. The suspension's alright, man, on this truck. Yeah, fully functional rear tyre as well, man. It looks a lot more stabler than DR8. The DR8 rear tyre mount. When I got my DR8, jumped it, and the rear tyre fell off. So let's open it up. The body post seems a bit close to each other, man. But apparently, where it's got the roll cage, we got with the figurines, the men in there. The front body post, or I expect both of them, front and rear, it locks into place, innit? I've seen a few videos of this truck. Yeah, you see how it locks the front body post, it locks into place even with the rear, so the body post should be secure. It should be alright, you know what I mean? When the body was on the truck, there was no movement with the body post. There's movement now, but you got your Volts battery in here. Volts 3000, is it 3200 kV? Put this down a minute. The battery compartment seems not too bad. One sec, because I got a battery, because this battery I'm not gonna use this battery. I'm gonna try and flog it and sell it brand new, you know what I mean? Try and get some change for it. It's free, it comes with the car, but 1 minute I forgot the battery I was gonna put in this car, man, because I have to check to see if it fits. Yeah, because I've got this Dean's. I've got this Dean's Sports Track 5300 mAh 55C 7.4 volt 2S battery. This is a 2S battery, isn't it? That comes with a car. So it seems like they're the same size. So let's see. Did it fit? How did it? Yeah, it fits in there. Fits in. So this battery is pretty brand new. It's only been run a couple of times, so it'll be alright for this car, man. It fits. Yeah, it fits. So yeah, Dean's. I'm not gonna bother about swapping out connectors and all that. I just leave the connectors on there, man. It's only 3S, up to 3S rated. But I'm gonna run it 2S first. As I say, I'll run it stock minus the battery. I'll flog this Volts battery and see if I can get some change for it, man. See the center diffs in here. You got front, rear, and center. I mean front, center, and rear. Rear diff. I think, and this is an 80 amp ESC. I don't know what. I'm not sure what brand it is, but and the motor. I think this is a 2900 kV motor. I think. 2900 kV. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it in there. It's 2900 kV. So yeah. Then what are these? I think these are just normal dog bones, are they? Or are they CVAs? At the front. The rear just dog bones. So it's CVAs at the front. And rear just normal dog bones. Let's have a look at the radio. Let's put the body back on. I'm sure, yeah, you got your adjustable camber links here as well, innit? Set up just like a racer. A race truck on the track. Front and rear. And I think it's got droop screws as well. What are these shocks? These are aluminium. Are they? Aluminium shocks. Shock caps, aluminium shock caps. Center brace. Going from front all the way to the rear. Yeah. Let's put the body back on. Turn the car around. But the body seems durable enough. With the roll cage, you've got the roll cage inside it. It makes it more stronger. I suppose you can put some tape, Velcro tape across there to stop it from flapping around. Velcro it on both sides. See. Just lining up the posts. Yeah, that's the thing. You got to make sure, because the front body post is going to locate inside these holes here on the roll cage. And if you don't line it up properly and fit it, it won't fit. So I'm going to turn this light off in a minute because I'm sweating buckets. I'm in my house. Turn this video off soon. Just want to put the body back on. Yeah, it's on. Go to the rear. Don't bother about the body post, the pins for now. I'll just check this radio out quickly and leave it there with the video, man. Same radio, it's not been upgraded at all. It's not upgraded, same Pulse radio. I thought it'd probably come with a new radio, which they supply with a Apache, the FTX Apache. Anyway, leave it here with this vid, man. How long has this video been? 60 minutes, 46. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Colour scheme on this car's alright as well, man. Body's alright. Yeah.